What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I'm take a look at Gigachad, one of Murad's picks, one of the top masculinity coins. Mostly I got into it because of Murad. It just got listed to Coinbase. As you can see right here, we just got the Coinbase listing. So we're absolutely exploding. I have a nice bag of Giga, so very happy to see it blowing up to the upside. We don't have too much chart to work with, but we're sitting at 0.057. We're up 67% in the last 24 hours. Market cap for 542 million. 24-hour volume is 33 million. So if we pop into the chart, this is on CoinX. They also have it on MEXC. This is about as far as I can go. But we do have a nice five-way move to the upside. So potentially the chart is a little bit too fresh to be 100% certain. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, especially if you start to come up and break the wave 1 high at 0.0769. That gives you more confirmation of continuation to the upside. So the price targets that we can expect for the wave 3, take a trend-based fib extension. Yeah, there's the low right there. From the low to the high of the 1 to the bottom of the 2. And you can target the 161.8. It can overextend, especially in a bull market, but that will take you all the way up to 14 cents. I do think Giga has a very good chance to go up to $1 and beyond just because Murad is backing it. I don't know if you guys know Murad on X, but if you don't, you should follow him. He's the meme coin GOAT. And basically anything he touches is gold. And this is his number 2 pick, or his top 2 picks, SBX 6900 and Gigachad, the masculinity coin. I like Giga because they're always posting motivational videos, and I listen to those a lot, and they're very pro-masculine, which we need in 2024, as there's a lot of pussies out there. So so that's what I'm looking at. If we do continue higher with this exchange listing, then we can expect to push up to 14 cents, especially if we break the wave on high at 0.0778. If we roll over, it is what it is. Then you're looking at ABC correction. But with this exchange listing, we could push higher. We'll have to see how that plays out. We just hit our take profit on our Polygon trade. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to not only my trade signals, but my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my crypto trade setups, my Forex signals, as well as you can see exactly what I'm invested in, when I'm taking profits, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. This will literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. It will literally take you 30 seconds to sign up. Once that's done, just send me an email. You get free access for life. My daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, when I'm taking profits on my investments, and one of our members posting trade signals all day long. Lots of value, almost 3,000 members. Just send me an email after you sign up to Bitfinex, and I will send you the link. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.